Hello and welcome. Last time I worked on this Acer, put the wrong connector in, like an idiot. It doesn't fit in a case, so I ordered new ones. Hopefully they are correct. This is the old one. They are the same, 99%. So yeah, let's take that out and put this in and get this out of here. Right, we have our plate here so we don't burn our table. Let's come like this. We're gonna go 300, I don't know, 330 maybe degrees, 60% air. I would like to save this one if possible. Yeah, it will be good. Okay. This is the old one. This one. Gonna go like this and put it in. That is the plan. Little bit of flux, why not? Reheat the board. And we are in. Yeah. Okay. Under the microscope so we can see better. Yeah, just like that. Good. Great. This here. That's fine. Fine. And this one is good. This is the ground. Okay. On the other side. Okay. Let's put some more dirty tip. That's fine. Great. Clean it off. Yeah, looks good. Is it burned? Not really. Clean the other side. Yeah, beautiful. Better than factory. So let's put it in now. Will it fit? It does. Yeah, sure, why not? Plug it all in and then we can test. And this screw was where? I forgot. Here. Here. Yeah. Does it fit? This one? No. That one. It fits. Beautiful. We have two screws for the fan. Yeah, it's hard to remember where everything goes after a few days. Alright. Connecting the battery. No smoke, that's fine. 20 volts, 5 amps. Let's go current 1 amp. And plug it in. Power on. Yes, it works. 180 milliamps. It should go up. Okay. We have current limit. Let's go 3 amps. Yeah. Do we have a charging light somewhere? Yes, we do. Here. Maybe you can see it. Oh, that's not good. Pressing the power button. It is coming on, it seems. The LEDs are still flashing. Yeah, we have picture. That's fine. User. The battery is full. Plug it in. We don't have a charging sign. Now we do have. Unplug it. Plug it in. Yeah. Okay, let me discharge it a bit and then we'll test. Okay, let's test. Plug it in. Yeah, it goes in nicely. 180 milliamps. It should go up. We can We can measure. Negative to positive, positive to negative. Yes, you can see the voltage is rising, 2 amps. Yeah, it is charging. Yeah, it's solid. Let's turn it on. We do have a charging light. Pressing the power button, we have the power LED on. Over here. Yeah. Okay. We do have a charging sign here. 19%. 20%. Disconnecting the charger. Plug it in. Fantastic. Okay, let me grab the customer charger. Okay. Oops, we have a customer charger. We don't want steam. Disconnecting the... Yeah, wiggling around. It's great, it works. Finally. Alright. Did I forget something? Nah, it's fine. Yeah. Call the customer and, you know, we can order some pizza, right? Great. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this, press the like button. If you didn't, press the dislike button. And consider subscribing. It means a lot. Thank you again. Bye.